The Nike GT Cut Academy 2 in the White and Glacier colorway is a performance basketball shoe designed for fast-paced play, priced at $95. This model focuses on stability, court feel, and durability, making it an accessible option for players looking for quality without breaking the bank. The upper combines synthetic and textile materials in a clean glacier white finish, paired with a contrasting black tongue and inner lining. Reinforced toe overlays add durability for sharp cuts and quick movements, while the low-top design allows for agile, unrestricted motion. Branding is subtle yet striking, featuring the signature GT logo on the tongue and a sleek, inset swoosh. Underfoot, the translucent mint green rubber outsole with a multi-directional herringbone pattern delivers excellent traction for stop-and-go plays. The midsole provides responsive cushioning without compromising feel, ensuring comfort during extended sessions. Overall, the GT Cut Academy 2 offers a solid performance experience at a highly competitive price, ideal for both beginner and intermediate players.